Good morning, samirsir here. Application, program, site text editor. Teaching you making use of for loop into C program. Hash include stdio.h. Standard input output library file. Next line, void main compulsory user defined function, left and right curve bracket, and then defining into left and right curly braces. Declaring variable, taking integer as data type. Every line end with semicolon. For loop is control structure loop. For loop is divided into three parts in the left and right curve bracket. First is initialization, then syntax is you have to write semicolon, then we have condition checking, then you again have to write semicolon, and then there will be incrementation or decrementation. Here we are writing incrementation of variable I. After that we are not supposed to write semicolon. For loop left and right curve bracket will not have semicolon. Defining in left and right curly braces for loop. We are just writing printf. In the printf I am writing double quotation and %d because it is an integer data type, comma I. Let me show the value which is coming upon I variable. Line end with semicolon. File save as. On desktop I am saving with forr.c on desktop. After saving it I am compiling it using GUI site text editor by going into tools and compile. Exit 0 is the indication that there is no syntax or grammatical error. Ctrl Alt T to go to terminal. CD space desktop to go to desktop from terminal. ls space -l checking files and folder. Check where the forr.c. Now compiling again in the terminal using gcc gedit compiler gcc space forr.c. If I am on next line, it means there is no syntax and grammatical error. Output command ./a.out. The output is 0 to 9. I am going back to site A and doing necessary changes. You can see I equals to 0, I is less than 10. I am changing I from 0 to 1. Sorry, I am making /n. So that output will come vertically. So 0, then 1, then 2 and 3 will come vertically because I have written /n. Now I am changing I equals to 0 to I equals to 1. Now you will be able to see output from 1 to 9. Here it is. Now I am doing less than 10. Instead of that, less than equals to 10. Now the output will be 1 to 10. I am changing from 10 to 100. So output will be 1 to 100. Two more zeros. There you go. Now instead of I++, I am writing I minus. The loop will never end. And you can see the output is keep on coming. I have to come out by closing it. This is infinite loop. I have to close it. I have to again call terminal now after doing necessary changes. I++. CD space desktop, ls space -l, gcc forr.c, output command, and you can see 1 to 10,000. That's why it is